Right, short video to show the Philips hooded hairdryer. This is the model number 4618. It comes with its original box, which is rather good because this is vintage. This is quite old actually. Comes with the manual, how to set it up. And I have already set it up. There's a stand and there's the hood. So this is the Comfort Deluxe model. The white plastic has slightly tanned to like cream, but it's fully working. I'll show you. So you're sitting underneath it, and this is the on, off, up, down power. This is rather stiff. Basically you're just pushing a cable inside it, but it's working. And the fan turns and it's warm. To raise and lower, simply you can lift the hood up here or on the back as such. You can also, I meant to turn it off, but lift the whole thing up also. So the stand all comes apart and it all fits in this box, but it's in perfect working order. So this is a little bit stiff, that's max power, and then I'll turn it off. And basically it's just a cable in here, but for an old vintage item it's in good condition. Any questions, please ask. Hello, Mother.